Hello everyone. In today's masterclass, I'm excited to show you a fantastic new feature in Microsoft Teams, the new Sections feature. This nifty addition will help you organize your channels and chats more efficiently, making your workflow smoother and more intuitive. So let's dive right in. So why have we got sections? Well, as workplaces become increasingly complex, Microsoft have recognized the need for better organization within its Teams platform. The Sections feature addresses this by providing users with a way to neatly categorize and manage the myriad of channels and chats that accumulate over time. This enhancement aims to reduce clutter for the individual, streamline communication, and ultimately improve their productivity by allowing for easy access and navigation through related conversations and teams. So let's have a look at how we create a new section. So there are different ways to do it, but one way could be to pick a channel or a chat that you want to add into your new section. So I'm going to be working on my Mark 9 project. And in the project, what I'm specifically interested in is the resources channel. So I'm going to just click the three dots, move to, and I'm going to create a new section. You'll also see any existing sections appear. And I'm going to create this, call this my Mark 9 project. So I'm actually creating, if you like, my own view of the Mark 9 project and a lot of the related resources. So let's just create that. So if we go to the top now, we can see we've got my Mark 9 project and we've got the resources channel in it. Now I've created it, I can drag and drop other channels or chats that are related. So one of the reasons I wanted to do this is that we've got an external chat group here with a supplier. And so it'd be really good if we just put them in the Mark 9 project. And then there's another particular channel that I work in a lot with the Mark 9 project, which is the general channel. So I'm just going to drag that in and add that in as well. So although it's called Move To, we're not physically moving channels out of Teams or anything like that. What we're doing is creating a group that is meaningful to the user that's doing it. So this is meaningful to me. I spend a lot of time in the Mark 9 project, and I spend a lot of time in the resources channel, the general channel, and the supplier chat area. So this is great because I've no longer got to scroll through. I haven't got to try and find that particular channel for the chat, or I haven't got to go and find the channel for resources. I've got it all here together. And I can create as many sections as I like. So here I've got a daily section. So this is just daily day-to-day activities that I'm involved in. So they're here. You can sort within a particular section. So that's quite a nice feature. So I could sort by the most used, most recent, or unread only. We can rename a section. And if a section no longer applies, we can remove it. So really, really powerful way to start to organize. And especially over time, if you find that you've grown and got a lot of teams now of peering, you've got lots of chats going on, some of them are maybe old and they're not that relevant, then I could maybe even have my current chats as a section, and I move all those chats into that. So in the old version Teams, it was a bit like favorites. You could pin certain things as favorites, but sections is far more flexible and far more powerful. So I hope that was useful. I think, start playing with sections. I think you'll get a lot of benefits out of it. It is relatively new to Microsoft Teams as and when we made this video, and it really can help you keep your workspace tidy and organized and making it easier for you to focus on what truly matters. So I'd suggest you go and give it a try, see how it can enhance your productivity and benefit your workplace. Thank you for watching this masterclass, and happy organizing.